friends, this is part 2 of my part 3 Easter basket series where I give you ideas for Easter baskets this year, 2021. I will link a playlist of my other Easter basket videos that I've done in past years. The Easter baskets for kids, I'll link it in the description box down below if you want to watch that for more ideas. I have 4 themed Easter baskets to share with you today. If we're meeting for the first time, hi, my name is Shawn. Welcome. On this channel, I'm bringing back family fun, and it doesn't get more fun than Easter baskets. All right, let's talk about the first basket. For the child that loves to build, this is great for preschoolers. I have these cute little buildable flowers. Now I've taken them out of the bag. I will either put links or the name of the items that I'm showing you. They will be in the description box. You can easily find them. But these are stackable buildable flowers. I have a 3-year-old, she absolutely loves this. Now, when she was 2, and also still as she's 3, she loved these blocks. All right, the next Easter basket idea is a art-themed Easter basket. So in here, we've got the hidden highlights, hidden pictures, Easter Puffy stickers, because my child loves stickers. If you're a mom, you love these. Ultra clean washable crayons. They're the big kind, easy for small hands to hold. And some Crayola washable project paint. And then, unfortunately, I've got one more item that wouldn't fit in this basket. It's right down here. I thought I was ordering a smaller pack of paper, and this is a giant pack of paper. So if you buy the paint, make sure to include, oh geez, all the way back here, the finger paint paper pad. All right, let's look at the next basket. The third basket is a game-themed basket. In here we have Alphabet Bingo. My daughter has loved this since she was 2. Learn uppercase letters. You learn to associate letters with pictures. We love bingo. I highly recommend. If you have a slightly older child, these chicken flings are absolutely adorable. I'm worried about it. You put your fingers in and you fling them. I wish you could have seen that. It hit the wall and went behind a bookshelf. And then we also have these shapes bean bags. They help teach your child shapes. You can toss them into buckets, but they have the name of the shape. You can do colors with these, so it's a learning game as well as a game. And then the last thing, oh, this is a loud crinkly noise, sorry about that. This last game is a spoon and egg race. This is great for the whole family. You can balance the spoon on the egg and have an egg race. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. All right, let's look at the 4th Easter basket idea. Okay, this 4th Easter basket is a slime theme. Does your child love slime as much as mine does? My 13-year-old loves slime and my 3-year-old loves slime. First off, I found these really cute slime-filled Easter eggs. Shh, don't tell my daughter, but the Easter Bunny will be hiding these. They've got like galaxy slime in them. And then we have been loving the slime, jumbo slime kit. It has all sorts of cool things on the inside to make slime with that we have been loving. It's got little colorful packs of balls. It has tons of these little cases of clear colored slime. It has shapes to put the slime in. It comes with tools to cut and dig the slime. What else? It comes with jewels. There's also comes with glitter. I have removed the glitter. I'm not a glitter person. And it comes with some other shiny supplies. It's a huge kit. It'd be great for a whole family or just to spoil your child who loves slime. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video where I will show you what I'm going to put in my daughter who's 3 and my son who's 13, what they're getting in their Easter baskets this year. So stay tuned for that one. If you missed the last one and you're looking for adult Easter basket ideas, that was the last video. I'll leave it also linked in this video. Until the next time, bye.